Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today we're taking a look at the Rover 416 that we bought a couple of months ago now, and yeah, it's not been on the channel since. Someone asked me a couple of days ago, like, did you sell it? Because we've not seen it at all. It's still here. A lot has happened. We've just been so busy, and over the next couple of weeks we're going to be even busier, so make sure you stay tuned for that, because we got two big announcements. But yeah, let's take a look at the Rover 416. There he is. So we've done some repairs. He's now passed MOT. He failed MOT at first for literally a dust cover, so we got that sorted. I have started putting stickers on it and making it a bit my own, a bit of a joke car, because we'll never sell this car. We'll keep it until the day it dies, which is basically what we wanted. We wanted something old, modern, classic that we could get cheap and just use and use. If you remember, this car was full of rust on the wings, doors, and they were sealed down here, but the doors have no longer got rust, and that is because these are new doors. We went to Harry Buckland's, which is in Stroud, Cheltenham way, Gloucestershire, and there was a Tourer, so exactly the same as this, just estate. We saw it on Facebook, someone had put on there, so we went up first thing in the morning, and yeah, we got two new wings. This wing is the worst, just got a bit of rust out, which we are going to treat ASAP so it doesn't get any worse. But we put two new wings on both sides. Originally we was only getting the wings, and then when we got there, the car was immaculate. It was being scrapped, and the only thing that was wrong with it was literally the gearbox had gone. The bodywork on it, there was no rust underneath, so we grabbed what we needed. So we got 4 new doors, no rust whatsoever in the bottom of these. I am going to paint the I think it's Hurricane Grey across the bottom to match the bumpers like the original doors. The original doors have only just gone. I put them up free, and someone had the driver's door because their door had a massive dent in it, but the rest of the doors, no one wanted them in the end, so I ended up scrapping them. They was no good, but I thought maybe someone wants the regulators or the glass out of them. I did keep the passenger window just because there was a slight chip. Is that passenger or driver's window? I think there's a chip in the driver's window at the bottom, so I did keep that. We didn't get the arches. We had no tools to cut out or anything, so that's got to be done. That's on the to-do list. But the glass is what come with the Tourer from the scrapyard, and you know, I don't think they have the registration in, but never mind. We also got a brand new fuel cap because ours has started going here, but you will notice it's a different color. I forget what color the original colors are, but I call it champagne silver, but this is actually silver, and the doors are. So once I paint the bottoms, it should blend in a little bit better. When we took the wings off, the wings literally just broke off. This one wasn't too bad, but the other side, yeah, it just broke off in my hands. I still got to sort this out here, but all this just broke away. It was gone. We did get the door cards as well, and I've listed them there for sale, because the interior door cards were grey and you know, to match the silver, where ours is tan, so I had to change all the door cards over. I had to do the locking system because this has central locking from both sides, so I had to do all that. I had to do the wiring looms. It was a long day, let's say that. I'd done the wings, and then we put the doors on. It was just a day of working up here. Me and Anna, we stripped the doors down, everything, and yeah. So this is pretty much what we have now, and you may notice the roof bars. These are from the same time the car would have been built. The person we bought these off had a Metro, and he was using them on there. and I love them because they got the Rover emblem now. They're complete, got the keys with them and everything, which is really nice. It's got all the covers on, and I bought this one. Now, this roof box, I bought this a long time ago, and it was only by chance. We was picking something else up, and this was in the neighbour's garden. I asked them, they was out there at the time, are you selling it? And he's like, yeah, we need to get it gone. So I picked this one up. It was originally grey, really faded, discoloured, everything. So I thought, you know what, let's make it a bit gimmicky to go with the car. And I've started painting it up. Italian flag, as you can probably tell. We've just got to do the white for the middle. And then we're going to just sticker bomb it with car stickers and everything. I got my tag on the side. And yeah, we're just going to sticker bomb this, and it's going to go on the top of the Rover. Now, I have had it on and it looks actually quite good, it suits it. But once that's painted up, it should really set the car off, just make it stand out a little bit more. I did buy some, stickers that go on the back. I love the Rusty's, medicated Rusty's bumper ointment. From Disney cars, of course. And then not leaking oil, sweating power, caution parts may fall off, and you've been Rover taker, which is a nice one because I bought that for the Streetwise, for Anna's Streetwise, but before the air gasket went. But and this one, old Rovers never die, they just get faster. And the little rear wing, which again was a bit of a gimmick. We saw it and thought, you know what, let's just stick it on the Rover, it'll be funny. And yeah, I got some laughs over it the other day. And then on the back here we just got made in Britain, which I did like this sticker I bought originally for the Alpha, made in Italy. And unfortunately, you know what happened to the Alpha GTV, the diff went. And then tally chart, no dogs yet, but don't plan to hit any dogs. Cyclist, I'm pretty sure I'm going to run out of a rear window. And then there's always a fire extinguisher. There's a fire extinguisher in the boot. Definitely for a Rover, make sure that's always in the boot, and first aid kit on board. They are both in there. I just got to sort them out actually. I'm going to put a little bit of a cubby hole they can sit in properly. But the car's not being used at the moment. I've only used it just to come out the yard today, but it's been on the drive. It's actually been stood for a few days now, a few weeks, because we was on holiday. So I did give it a start, and it started fine. Another sticker on the back just saying fire extinguisher in the boot. I did pick up these actually, Camel Trophy Adventure Trails, and again my tag. I like that. I saw this one, it come under Land Rover, sadly, but I thought, I'm going to stick them on this. I like the stickers. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. We do have to clean it out. We've been using it a bit of storage at the moment because we are looking to move, not from here, but from where we live because of circumstances and that changing. So we are looking at moving, and hopefully we'll find a place with a bit more car space so we can actually move some of this stuff as well and get more stuff up here, because I've still got a few bits around the forest I need to sort out. But yeah, the interior is good, all good on it. Let's get to the front. There we go. A few cobwebs in here actually, I've noticed. We've got my Simon Pegg on the bonnet there, or Sean from Shaun of the Dead. Air freshener, which smells really nice. Got the original sunroof, which is nice, all works and everything. But when you got the roof box on, it makes an audible whining sound, so it's pretty pointless. Plus you can't see over it when the roof box is on. But it's still nice to have. Everything's here. It just needs a really good clean out. And we are going to do that hopefully next week, because we do have a road trip planned for this car, and it's another reason we got the roof box, because we're planning a road trip, a 2-day road trip, North Wales, which I've never been. I probably have when I was a kid, but I got to do that. Also I had to do the wiring loom because of all this. Now my original left window on the original door card, the button was broke. It still worked, but it stayed down. So we got that off the Tourer as well. As for engine, I don't think we need to look at the engine really. It's working great because it's the Honda engine. It's not the K series, which we don't talk about K series. But yeah, there she is. I thought I'd update you all. A lot of people kept asking me, have you got rid of it? Have you got rid of it? I was like, no. We did have to change these because it was off the newer Rover than this one. This is a 91, it come off a 95, the wings and doors. And it means we had to change these repeaters. This one's cracked actually, I'm not too happy about that. That's happened since we had it. But yeah, it cuts off here usually, which I do prefer the original. But we had to take them because wings for these do not come up. And when they do come up, you got to snap at them, you really do. There's nothing really to talk about on the back. It is when so it passed MOT after sorting the one of the dust covers out, and it's got a leak in exhaust, which we know about, but it still passed emissions, which is nice, because we didn't think it would pass with that exhaust. It's still standard exhaust, it's just leaking, so we do have to change that at some point. I'm not gonna make it louder or nothing. I'm just gonna hopefully get that sorted. But we got our tedders in the back as well. Our little family, as we call it. We did get this one as well for Batman. Border Collie on board, and then dog on board as well. But yeah, so let me know what you think on this. I got some updates coming on the 500 in the next couple of days because, yeah. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you want to see more on this car, let us know. We are going to log the road trip in this and do a full video, so that'd be fun. But yeah, anyway, bye for now.